loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, today we're going to do a beginner core workout. Okay, all you're going to do first is you're just going to hug your legs inside, okay, and hug it nice and tight. You can cross your legs over, squeeze your inner thighs together and squeeze your thighs to your chest. We're just going to stay here. Keep breathing. 5, 4, 3, 2. Now remember, keeping that squeeze in your inner thigh and to your chest, you're just going to take your hands away. Okay, now your hands are not touching your legs at all. Continue staying here. 3. You want to keep breathing. 2, 1. From here, you're going to take your hands in front next to the side of your glute with your legs. Just lift the hips up for 1, 2, exhale, come back and hug again. Okay, we're just going to do this 2 more times. Now once you find this comfortable, again get the feet on the floor, place the hands on the floor, lift the butt as much as you can. Now again, I said if you find this comfortable, you can do this level or you can just take the feet off the floor and lift as well. Yeah, just hold for 2 seconds and come back down. From there, hug again. From here, all you're going to do is point your toes, take the hands in front of you and walk with your legs back to a nice solid plank position. Stay 10. You want to remember, push, protract the shoulders. 9. Don't arch the back. 8. Keep breathing. 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. From here, you're going to drop the knees. Now, as you drop the knees, we're just going to sit in Vajrasana. Okay, if you find this is too intense, you can extend your leg forward in front of you. Just breathe. Long, deep inhalation and exhalation through your nose. If you feel your wrists are hurting, you can just rotate them so that they can come back to neutral. You're going to come forward onto your forearms, interlock your hands, take your hands back. All we're going to do is you're going to go forward and back. That's 1. Forward and back. 2. Try and remember, you do not want to lift the hips up. Yeah, 4 and back. Keep breathing. 5 and back. 6 and back. 7, 8, 9. Last one. 10. We're going to stay forward. Stay. 5. Keep breathing. 4, 3. Hips down. 2, 1. We're going to drop the knees down and relax in child's posture. Okay, you're going to take your hands forward if you want. Remember, get the breath back. 5. Keep breathing. 4. Deep inhalation and exhalation. 3, 2, 1. From here, we're going to come into a plank position. Again, make sure you feel the weight on your full hand and not just the base of the palm. Yeah, knees off the floor. Nice solid plank position. You're going to try and drop the knees almost touching the floor without touching the floor and up. That's 1. Down and up. 2. Down and up. 3. Up. 4. Down. Up. 5. Down. Up. 6. Down. Up. 7. We're going to stay in a plank position. Stay 3, 2, 1. Drop the knees almost touching the floor without touching the floor. Stay 5. Keep breathing. 4. Almost. 3. Push, protract that shoulders. 2, 1. Drop the knees. Relax in child's posture. Again. Breathe. Stay 5. Keep breathing. 4, 3. Relax the forearms. Relax the shoulders. 2, 1. From there, pop your head up and we're going to come into downward dog. Keep breathing. All you're going to do is lift that left leg up. As you lift the left leg up, your body is going to be here. Bend the knee and try and get that knee in close to your chest. That's 1. Exhale, come in. 2, 3 and inhale out. Exhale, come back. 4. Inhale out. Exhale, come back. 5. And release. We're going to do the other side. Right leg up. As you take the right leg up, exhale into your nose. 1. Try and get the knee into your chest or nose, whichever is comfortable for you. 3. You want to remember, go as much as you can. Don't force, don't push. 4. Last one, exhale. 5. And from here, all we're going to do is drop the leg and hold for 3, Keep breathing. 2 and 1. From here, drop the knees, relax back into child's posture slowly with your breath. Keep breathing. Stay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Interlock your hands and we're going to come up. Now again, you're going to come into a dolphin as much as you can, yeah? All we're going to do is get the heels on the floor and just stay here. Now, if you feel this is too intense for you, you can take a block, you can take something under. If you feel like, oh, it's not challenging me enough, you can come up on the balls of the feet and all you're going to do is hold. Drop your knees, relax back in Balasana. Your hands back in this one and breathe. 3, 2, 1. You're going to pop your heads up as you come again with the ankles. All you're going to do is come and sit on your butt cheeks. This is all we're going to do. Now you're going to hug. Remember the same hug that we did in the beginning? We're going to do it again, except now the feet are together. You're going to hug nice and strong in towards you, and from there you're going to get your feet 90 degrees to your ankle and get your hands also in front, yeah? From there, you're going to inhale, and as you inhale, you're slowly going to go down. Exhale, come back up. That's 1. Down and up. 2. Down and up. 3. Down and up. 4. Shoulders off the floor and feet off the floor. Down and up. 6. Keep breathing. 7, 8. 2 more. 9, last one, 10. And all we're going to do is we're going to stay down. Remember, shoulder blades off the floor, feet off the floor, okay, as much as you can, and come back in. Now as you come back in, you're going to stay. 3, as much as you can, feel the core burn. 2, 1, release. From here, we're going to go into Chatush Padasana or variation of Purvottanasana. Remember, roll the shoulders back and lift the hips up as much as you can, yeah? If it's comfortable, you can drop the neck back or remain here, whichever is comfortable for you. Inhale, exhaling, we're going to come back down. From here, as we're going to come forward, all you're going to do is lower and go into the floor bit by bit, uncurling the spine, okay? We're going to go down. 10, I already started, but anyway, 9, keep breathing. 8, 7, 6, slowly. 5, 4, 3, 2, this is the difficult part. 1, and release. Keep breathing. From all we're going to do is extend the legs in front of us, and all we're going to do is flex that feet so that toes are going to be pointed towards your face. I'm going to stay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, drop the right leg down, keep the left leg as it is, come back up slowly, reverse change legs, keep breathing. You're going to do this just a little bit and come back up. Drop the right leg and come back up. Drop the left leg. You want to go as slow as you can and come back up. Remember, don't arch the back in this one, yeah? And come back up. Drop the left leg and up. Just a little bit more. Drop the right and come back up. Left and up. Right and up. Left and up. Right and up. Last one, left and up. And from there, you're going to bend the knees, hug it close into you, okay? Remember, inner thigh squeezed in together and that thigh in towards your chest, yeah? You're going to take the hands, place at the back and drop it, squeezing your inner thighs to the right side. We're going to come back. From there, we're going to drop to the left. 3, 2, exhaling, we're going to come back up. Exhale, we're going to go on to the right. Keep breathing. 3, 2, 1, come back up. Exhale, left. Keep breathing. 3, 2, 1, right. You want to remember, keep that body squeezed in towards you. Other side. And up. From there, you're going to drop the legs. As you drop the legs, you're going to lift the hips up into Setu Bandhasan. Keep breathing. Again, we are counter stretching whatever we worked, yeah? 3, 2, One, exhale, come back. You're going to hug. From here, we're going to rock. You're going to come forward and back. Okay, so any pressure on the lower back, any of that is going to settle with this stretch. Yeah, so eventually you want to try and come up and stay with the butt off the floor and the weight on your feet as much as you can. This is also a very good core exercise that you can work on to build your Achilles flexibility and your core strength. Stay here. 3, 2, 1. The last one that we are going to do is we are going to drop down into full bhujangasana. Remember, roll that shoulder all the way back, yeah, and make sure your legs are as comfortable as possible. Keep breathing, lengthen that spine of yours. Till I see you next time, practice daily. Stay safe, stay humble. Okay, bye.